welcome to another episode of Raga. Today's Raga is quickly identifiable. This major Raga, which renders a very pleasing effect, is suitable for singing and listening at all times and encapsulates almost every emotion from Bhakti, Sringara, Karuna, Adbhuta, Hasya. Let me play one of my top favorites in this Raga. This will be easy for you to identify. I've included a 10-second countdown timer just to make things interesting. What a beautiful song. Shanmuga Priya it is. This song was composed by Sri T.N. Bala, disciple of Sri Madurai Maniyayyar. Shanmuga Priya literally means that which is the beloved of Shanmuga, Lord Subramanya, who was born out of the blazing wisdom eye of Lord Shiva. Listening to this raga is spiritually uplifting, one of my favorite ragas. I am excited, like you, to listen to Sri M.R. Ramachandran playing Shanmuga Priya on the harmonium. Let's experience the bliss.
Namaskaram. In today's raga, we are presenting raga Shanmukha Priya. Shanmukha Priya is the 56th Melakarta raga. This raga is known as Chamaram as per Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's version. About the Kridis, Varnams, Padams in this raga, there is a Padavarnam composed by legend Lalgudi Jayaraman sir. Deva Munivar Tolum. Another Varnam is there, which is composed by another legend, Dr. Balamurali Krishna sir. Omkara Pranava.
Omkara Pranava Nado Dhava.
There is a Padam in this raga which is sung in kacheris and also used in Bharatanatyam recitals. Nalla Shagunam Noki Shelladi. Tyagaraja Swamigal has composed a kriti, Vaddane Varu. Papanasham Shivan sir has composed 3-4 famous kritis, popular kritis in this raga. One is Parvati Nayagane. Second one is Sharavana Bhavayanum. And third one is Aandavanai Une. Pattanam Subramanyar has composed the most popular kriti, which is sung in kacheris. Marivera Dikkavareya Rama. Muthuswami Dikshitar has composed a Navagraha kriti in this raga Shanmukha Priya, which is Mahasuram Kedumaham.
Jayam Grahavaram Mahasuram Kedumaham Bhajami Jayam.
Another famous kriti is there, Siddhi Vinayagam Anisham, which is sung in almost all the kacheris. To begin the kacheri, many of the musicians are singing Siddhi Vinayagam first. Then Ekampresha Naige, which is a famous kriti of Dikshitar. Sadasraye, which is also famous.
नाशये मायाधीनं दीनं मां पाहि.
About Dikshitar Kridis, all these Kridis are known as Raga Chamaram, not as Shanmuga Priya. And this mudra is also coming in the Kridis. Swati Tirunal Maharaja has composed a Kriti, Mamava Karunalaya. About the film songs, the first one which is striking is Maraindirundu Parkum Marnamena, which most of us will be knowing this song, which is in the movie Tillana Mohanambal. Then Padam Niyappa, about Malayalam movie songs. The old film song is Ushase Ni Enne Vilikugilengilum.
ഉഷസേ നീ എന്നെ വിളിക്കുകില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരിക്കലും ഞാനുണരുകില്ല.
ലീലാ തിലകം ചാർത്തി.
ലീലാ തിലകം ചാർത്തി
One most famous film song is there, Gopika Vasantham, which is in movie His Highness Abdullah.
ഗോപികാ വസന്തം തേടി വനമാലി.
Then ആനയ്ക്കെടുപ്പതും പൊന്നുണ്ടേ.
അനക്കെടുപ്പത് പൊന്നുണ്ടേ ആയിരപ്പറ മുത്തുണ്ടേ അനക്കെടുപ്പത് പൊന്നുണ്ടേ.
Then there is a comedy song which is Confusion തീർക്കണമേ.
എന്റെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ തീർക്കണമേ. തുംഗജടാധര ചന്ദ്രകലാധര ശങ്കര ഭഗവാനി.
These are the Malayalam movie songs. That's all for today. Enjoy Shanmuga Priya. Thank you. Namaskaram.
Beautiful. Beautiful, Anna. Thank you so much. Shanmuga Priya has been used by many composers in Tamil film music. Starting from 1956, the movie Sadaram, the beautiful song Ninaindu Ninaindu Nenjam Urugude by T.M. Soundararajan and lyrics by A. Marudakasi.
நினைந்து நினைந்து நெஞ்சம் உருகுதே நீங்கிடாத துன்பம் பெருகுதே.
1958, the movie Sampurna Ramayanam. The song Kanparum Enayalum Kailai Vasa. K.V. Mahadevan sir music and sung by C.S. Jayaraman. The highlights in the movie are N.T. Ramarao played Rama, Padmini as Sita and Sivaji Ganeshan as Bharata. There are no songs for N.T. Ramarao and 3 songs for Ravana. T.K. Bhagavati does the role of Ravana.
பாரும் எனையாழும் கைலை வாசா உன் பாதம் நம்பினேன் உமா மகேசா.
1960, the movie Irumbu Thirai, song Nenjil Kudiyirukkum Anbarukku Naan Irukkum, sung by T.M. Soundararajan and P. Leela, music S.V. Venkatraman, lyrics Pattukottai Kalyana Sundaram. Pattukottai's songs are soaked in philosophy. He died at the young age of 29, and in only 9 years of his active life in movies, he had created 250 memorable songs in 57 movies. Remember, he never went to school.
நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் அன்பருக்கு நான் இருக்கும். நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் அன்பருக்கு நான் இருக்கும். இளமை.
In 1964, the biographical film Arunagirinadar, the Tiruppugal song Muttaittaru, T.M. Soundararajan himself played the role of Arunagiri. The tune of Muttaittaru was composed by T.R. Papa. Before the recording, he called on Tirumuruga Kribananda Variyar, who explained every word of the song, and T.M. Soundararajan imbibed it, had rehearsals for an entire day before he recorded it in a single take, I believe. T.R. Papa sir's full name was Tirutharaipundi Radhakrishnan Sivasankaran. He was a great scholar. He was an AAR artist. He was a principal of Madras Music College. He composed music for many wonderful devotional albums with Sirgadi Govindarajan, where the song Chinnanjiru Pen Bole, dedicated to the goddess Abhirami, is notable. Arunagirinadar used the pleasing medium of music and the sweet language of Tamil to communicate with God. Tiruppugal has been set in the Chandam style, which means setting the verses in conformity to rhythmic beats. His language and style, the metaphors and similes he used, all went into making the Tamil saying, Villukku Vijayan, Vakkukku Arunagiri.
திருநகை அத்திக்கிரை சத்தி சரவண முத்து குருவித்து குருபர என ஓதும் முக்கட்பரமத்து சுருதியின்
Now going to 1965. There are two songs in the history of Tamil movies where special staff had to be placed inside theatres to handle the Sami Adudal, the trance which the devotees go into when they connect with their god or deity. One song is Mariyamma Mariyamma from Karagattakaran, and the second from the cult movie in Thiruvilayadal, the song Padam Niyappa. Both songs give me goose pimples every time I hear. Padam Niyappa song has two parts. The lyrics for the first part was written by Shankardas Swamigal, and the actual song was penned by Kannadasan. What a divine song. K.B. Sundarambal at her best. There is something about Shanmuga Priya and songs on Muruga. It will be very difficult to hold back your tears of joy and ecstasy when you listen to this song. This will soak you in bhakti. The part Nirunda Megangal Nindralam Kailayil, and after that is a tribute to K.B. Sundarambal's handling of the song. Let me play you two separate tracks so that you will get what I am saying.
பொருள் கூறும் பழனியப்பா ஞானப்பழம் நீ அப்பா தமிழ் ஞானப்பழம் நீ அப்பா நீருண்ட மேகங்கள் நின்றாடும் கையிலையில் நீ வாழ இடமுண்டு தாயுண்டு மனம்
The Thiruvilayadal movie was responsible for a resurgence in mythological cinema since it was released at a time when Tamil cinema primarily made social films. The film was a milestone in Nagesh's career, and the character of Dharumi is cited as one of his finest roles. Shivaji himself said this once, "Only two actors can pull the scene away from under my feet when we face the camera together. One is M.R. Radha, the other is Nagesh," unquote. 1968. The award-winning and a cult movie Thillana Moganambal. The song Maraindirindu Parkum Marumamenna. Again, K.V. Mahadevan sir's music sung by P. Sushila. Kannadasan's lyrics. What can I say about this song? Those were times when the film fraternity was dedicated to giving good quality entertainment to the public. Giants like K.V. Mahadevan sir, P. Sushila, all these people, I believe, just did not do it for the money or the fame. It was a means to their liberation. They dissolved themselves in their work. So every time you hear the song like Maraindirindu Parkum, you are actually experiencing their liberation and their communion. It's a religious feeling. What they did was Nadopasana. Nadopasana is bhakti, worship and devotion through music. About the director of this movie, Sri A.P. Nagarajan, Some of the epic movies in Tamil like Hold Your Breath, Thiruvilayadal, Thillana Mohanambal, Agathiyar, Thiruvarutselvar, Rajaraja Cholan were either produced or directed or written by him, or sometimes all three were done by him. Sri A.P. Nagarajan died when he was only 49 years old. But look at his timeless creations. Some people are God level. Okay, Thillana Mohanambal was based on a novel published as a serial in Ananda Vikadan, written by Kottamangalam Subbu. The movie was Padmini's best and catapulted Manorama to stardom. Let us hear two parts which I thought are unbelievable handling of the raga. Uru Orathile Nindru Kalvanai Pol Malava Velava Mayava Shanmuga. That part. These lines represent the ideal confluence of raga, bhava and lyric, a perfect foil to each other.
சுவாமி மறைந்திருந்து பார்க்கும் மர்மமென்ன அழகர் மலையழகா இந்த சிலையழகா போல் ஒரு ஓரத்திலே நின்று கள்வனை போல் மாலவா வேலவா மாயவா ஷண்முகா.
1979, the movie Pudiya Varpugal, song Namdana Namdana, sung by Jensi and Sulochana. I wonder why singers like Jensi did not make it big. What a voice she has. This was the debut movie for Rati Agnihotri with Bhagiraj as lead character. The chorus and the veena are the high points in this song.
பலபாவம் வரும் மகிழ் சந்தன மல்லிகை வாசம் வரும் சந்தன நம்தன தாளம் வரும் புதுராகம் வரும் பலபாவம் வரும்.
1983, the award-winning movie Salangai Oli, the song Thakita Thadimi, K. Vishwanath's movie, Isainiyani Ilayaraja's music, divine song.
ஜதியிலெனது தேயானா தகிட ததிமி தந்தானா இதய ஒலியின் ஜதியிலெனது தேயானா.
1985, movie Aan Pavam, the song Kadal Kasakkudaiya. Isainiyani Ilayaraja composed music and sang this song written by Vali. The movie became the best comedy movie in the career of actor-director Pandyarajan.
கசக்குதையா மனந்தா லவ் லவ்னு அடிக்கும் லவ்னு தான் துடிக்கும்.
1987, the movie Vedam Pudhidu, song Kannukkul Nooru Nilava. This was considered the last film MGR watched before his death. Many think this is an Isainiyani Ilayaraja song, but this is actually the work of music director Devendran. The movie went to win several awards and this song was a big hit.
கண்ணுக்குள் நூறு நிலவா இது ஒரு கனவா கைக்குட்டை காத கடிதம் எழுதிய உறவா.
1989, the super duper hit movie Karagattakaran, the song Ooru Vittu Ooru Vandu. Only a master like Isainiyani Ilayaraja could take a raga like Shanmuga Priya and adapt it for a happy folk dance, sort of Dappanguttu song. This was the debut movie for Kanaka. Ramarajan became a bigger star after this, and this was the 100th movie for the Goundamani Sendil pair. This is another song that demonstrates the success of the Ilayaraja Malaysia Vasudevan combo.
ஊரு விட்டு ஊரு வந்து காதல் சீதல் பண்ணாதீங்க வேறு செட்டு போனதுன்னா.
2016, the movie Majnu, the song Mudar Kanave, Haris Jairaj music sung by Bombay Jayashree and Harish Raghavendra.
முதற் கனவே மறுபடியே வந்தாய் நீ மறுபடியே வந்தாய் விழி தெரிந்தது மறுபடி கனவுகள்.
In music therapy, Raga Shanmuga Priya has the effect of sharpening the intellect of the singer as well as that of the listener. It instills courage in one's mind and replenishes the energy in the body. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. See you in the next episode of Raga.